No, so typically, like we try to keep the platforms separate for what they're being used for. So, so the question was, is any if you any of the panels in Revit that's pushed back to the design model in Revit? And the answer is no right now.
But there's also no desire to do that. So these files don't live in the main file. We typically have a file called script link, and I always joke it says "do not touch me" at the end. I mean, you're allowed to change something in there, but you have to be aware that anything that is changed in that file or that someone modifies, I always tell it when I maintain the right to display everything away. So every change will be gone if someone decides to change anything in there. And the reason is also we don't want anyone to play with those instant parameters because we set them from the script. So we can set certain instance parameters from the script, and they have to be driven by whatever we want them to be, but no one should manually change those, basically.
So yeah, right now you can't really see, but it's
Are you at the column part?
it's building the columns for the diagram.
Yeah, I was driving Jason crazy yesterday because I decided at midnight that I wanted columns too, and he wasn't so happy about that.
And I mean, the idea is that this platform communicates to not just ourselves, but to the structural team. So that way, when we help them build these models, they can then get back into the structural analysis much quicker. And so they're not also doing rework for this. Instead, we're helping them along, getting them the required geometry so they can do the required analysis.